All our bags are packed and we are ready to go. For the meantime, we will say, take care, house. Bye for the meantime. We will be back. Close everything for safety. Don't forget to unplug.
Close the door.
كده؟ ماشي يلا بس بالراحه بس على الراحه. لا ماشي. لا اقلع على الشنطه عشان ما يزعلش اسمع مني. ماما is that looking good? Good.
Nice.
Mom, can I eat the one in the plastic? At the bus? Daddy, I want to go here up. Daddy, I want to. And now we will travel to the sea. You will leave the bag there?
Minutes kami mag-aantay dito. Magta-travel kami from 10 p.m. 12 hours sa daan.
Yalla, yalla go.
Get start.
Go up. Go, try to go.
Yalla, Dad.
Yalla.
Hold my hand.
Yalla, push. Yalla, hold my hand. Hold my leg. Yalla, go. Hold my, yes.
Afraid?
Yalla, up.
Nice.
See? Wow.
Mashallah. Allahu Akbar.
17, 18, and 21, 22. It's after each other.
Wow.
Look.
17, 18. الدنيا والفرق كنا ساكنين I don't know which thing.
Look here. We don't even have to open it. See? See? Let me go. No, I want to one.
Time check, 10:05. Start na ng travel namin, papuntang Cairo. Yeah, this is Cairo. Now we are, after 3 hours, wala to.
Or you want to change now?
No, it's okay.
She wants to wear
This
it.
is our bus.
Did you bring this picture?
Yeah.
So this is a stopover, right?
Yeah.
Stopover.
Next one is the checkpoint, big checkpoint, very big checkpoint.
Aha.
You're okay with what you're wearing?
Yeah, it's not hot.
Yeah, it's okay. So you have your clothes, you have for them more?
Yeah. But I have here something.
In front, I can let them sit in front because front will be less move.
That I can go on the bus and listen.
مية مية ربنا يبارك لك يا رب.
Still, that's the flag of Egypt.
And now,
Mashallah.
guys, we did something because the guy of the driver stood next to us. Our kids vomit because they are not used to it. However,
Yes.
it's okay. It's motion sickness.
Motion sickness.
Yeah.
I feel vomiting. I feel like vomiting. And look at this.
You?
Yes. This is what
And this is
part
the
of
gates
Cairo is
That's
this?
the gates of Cairo.
That's the gate of Cairo there.
بس بيعمل ايه؟ عشان احنا عملناها.
Start again another journey. Paalis na kami. Our next stop, checkpoint. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-video doon kasi bawal.
Wipes.
Kung familiar kayo sa Swiss Canal, doon kami chinek. Binuksan yung mga bags namin at chinek ang passports namin pati yung national ID. Hindi ko alam kung narinig ninyo. Ngayon paalis na kami. Dito kami sa part ng Swiss Canal. Nakita ninyo puno ng walls. Mahaba yan. Mahabang mahaba. Kumbaga, nandito kami sa disyerto na. Time check, 4:17 AM. Ang dami ng sinuka ng mga bata. Hindi sila kumain ng hapunan. Pero ang dami nilang sinuka. Suka ng suka. Naubos na yung plastic namin. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako kukuha ng plastic. Kumuha rin ako ng damit nila sa maleta. Nagpalit na sila ng damit. Si Tamara, lalong-lalo na si Tamara dahil sinukahan niya yung buo niyang damit. Ito yung third stop namin. Magsisiyar kami, kakain, magre-refresh. Sana makakita kami ng plastic.
نص ساعة إن شاء الله كمان استراحة.
This is the rest house. Maybe we can find washroom here and plastic bags. What's
Tamara,
Ida.
why to do now? No, I can smell you.
I like this.
Come.
The ground. I like it.
Come, kids. Grabe. Sobra ang experience namin. Suka ng suka ang mga bata. Nakahinga sila ngayon.
Get dizzy.
Next stop namin ay checkpoint ulit. This is the third time stop. This is the third stop, right? Or fourth?
Prove it that they will not rest again. There is no rest again.
Where are we now? Swiss. Guys, punong-puno kami ng pagkain sa bag pero hindi namin halos. Hindi namin magalaw-galaw dahil bawat kain ng mga bata sumusuka. Ito isusuka nila to mamaya. Here our bus and there are this one also blue bus and there's another one.
How is the difference of the buses?
Yeah.
But this is old. But this is same category of
Mercedes,
ours.
Mercedes.
That one seemed to be mine.
Time check 5:46. Pataas na ang araw. Look at that. Nandito kami sa Sinai. Kung makikita ninyo dito sa paligid, puro disyerto. Yan, inaantay na lang namin ang sunrise. Bago kami umenter ng Sinai, nagkaroon ulit kami ng checkpoint. Chinek ulit yung passport namin at saka national ID ng mga passengers. At okay naman, wala naman naging problema. Kaya dire-diretso ang travel. Gusto nyo makita ang disyerto sa Egypt? Here it is. Kabilaan. Napakalawak.